Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And today, or in this video, it's a Prius time. We have patiently sitting here 2007 Toyota Prius, that's second gen if we call it, right? This puppy, it's in very nice shape. It already clocked 290,000 miles and it's a hybrid battery replacement time. Here you can see a little bit what you will find out when you remove all these side panels. They have to be removed in order to get underneath them to the mounts, the battery mounts. You see me right before disconnecting these two main orange wires. These are going to the front in the vehicle and are connected here to the hybrid battery. Now, I don't encourage you to do this yourself because you need to be certified for it. If you read this, which is upside down, it clearly says don't ever touch it, don't ever open it unless you are certified like me. I have full certification for the hybrid vehicles from Toyota dealers, so I'm comfortable to work on it. I normally always try to encourage you to work on your own vehicles, but please don't touch this. Obviously you already removed the orange plug, which is down there, right? It's the first thing you ever touch. You remove that orange plug, then you better wait for discharge for a while. So it was here. But if you will ever continue further, because you don't want to listen to me, make sure with your multimeter you have 0 voltage at it, right? There has to be absolutely 0 between these two. Test it to the ground. That's one of the safety procedures, how to work on it. So you can see that the hybrid battery in 2007 Prius, it's pretty small. You see the location. This video is basically for people who never saw this. It's kind of a discovery, right? If you read this, this is actually original. I don't understand how it lasted so long. Panasonic EV Energy CO Limited. It's the battery assembly. But this video actually is not about this. You probably see that a million times. But how often you see this? This is a brand new battery delivered from the dealer. And this is mainly what I want to show you. Right, so you can see here, this is the ordering number. Battery assembly HV G9510-47031. So this is how it comes. This is the box. I'm not sure if you guys saw that before. That's that freight crate with all these handles. You can actually start peeking inside. Something's there. So let's go, guys. I waited for you. I wanted to open it and check it, but I'm like, I can't. It's my subscribers, they want to see it. Here you see the pile of those parts which were removed from the back. So let's go together, like a correct geeks, open this crate and see what is inside. Alright. Look at these puppies. Don't put it down, Peter. Will this clear already? I'm not sure. Maybe not. I think this should be enough. So these batteries, when I worked for the dealer a million years ago, they're very expensive. This entire replacement was, I remember, what the service writers were telling to the customers. You kind of remember it. And I believe with tax, with the labor and everything, the whole shebang was like $4,500. These times changed, and they changed for better. So these repairs, these replacements, are actually way more affordable than in past. So I'm not sure why this battery is sideways here when it has such a very expensive and special mount. Okay, do you see it? You are witness with me. I'm not making up anything. The baby kind of moved, but I think it's fine. Here is the sticker. I will just invite you very soon to look at it with me. I think, as they said, it's a brand new baby. I'm excited to see it, yeah. Here is entire harness on the side. That's really cool, guys. Let me bring you in and show you the details. So this is what I meant, that it kind of moved. It's a little bit sideways. I'm pretty sure it won't be a problem. So I was waiting for you, as I said. I wanted to show you this whole thing. Let's put that wiring harness here. You can see it. Everything is brand new, obviously, right? This is that main plug. That orange plug I was showing you that needs to be removed. And here is the hybrid supply battery assembly. Now, when I will remove this cover, in the past we were transferring bunch of parts. I don't even think it came with cover, honestly. We were transferring the parts like a ventilation which is on it and so on. So I'm wondering if it's the same way still today. I pick up the papers which were around here, and again here you have a shipment preparation list, and it again talks about the fact that whoever will be working on it must be hybrid certified technician. Let's go and pop this cover off. So here is the cover, which was held by 2 nuts and 2 bolts. And here you finally see that beauty in the full picture. So these area, the plastic ones, and these 2 rods, basically they are just holding it together. This is not connected on purpose yet. That's normal. Don't think it's missing one nut. They forgot. And this is what I was talking about. These are the vents on that cells. And it's like a rubber entire connecting part, which I can show you comes out of one side and goes underneath the vehicle, because you don't want to be ever smelling anything in the cabin. So that's a safety feature. Obviously you see nothing is missing here. This is also not missing. Everything is correct. There's even some hardware right there in the little box, so this is all correct. It's a brand new, as the parts guy told me. Wasn't sure if it's refurbished or not, but this is brand new puppy. I love it, and I'm very happy. I waited for you for this unbox, basically, right, to show you what you buy today. So this battery pack, the way you see it, and again, please don't do it yourself, just pay somebody to replace it for you. This battery pack nowadays retails, I believe, from Toyota for below $2,000. I think there will be, including tax, roughly $2,000. So I believe that price went down from, it was over $3,000 in past, and now it's basically approximately $2,000. So that's a pretty good news for the Prius owners. This is what you see when you get the new one on the left, and this was just removed from the vehicle, so you can see that amount of parts and computer and all that stuff which needs to be transferred and mounted on that brand new battery pack. This is the old one after removing that cover, which is on the floor. Here you can see the similarity. You can see what I was talking about. These are those vents. Here comes the pipe, and that goes underneath the vehicle. So here you got it, my friend. This is how we replace these hybrid batteries. As I said, a bunch of stuff will be transferred, and we will cross fingers together that it will be perfectly driving this vehicle in a couple of hours. I hope you have enjoyed this short video, the walk around video about this hybrid battery pack. If you enjoyed that, please give it a thumb up, it's always helpful. And be subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, my friend.